Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to configure, verifying and troubleshooting DHCP version 4. This is the diagram I will use for DHCP configuration. In this diagram we have two routers, router 1 and router 2, one DHCP server using for different subnets. See, in this diagram we have four different networks. Network 192.168.1.0/24, 198.11.5.0/24, 172.168.10.0/24, and also 10.10.10.0/24. Also, we have DHCP clients that are dynamically receive their IP addresses from DHCP server, which are located in different subnets. First, configure the routers correctly, assign the specific IP addresses. Notice you should configure a routing protocol between router 1 and router 2 and introduce all networks in routing protocol. Next, configure the DHCP server IP address and default gateway. And make sure the connectivity between DHCP server and router 1. If DHCP server can ping router 1 interface which is connected in pool 1, the connectivity between DHCP server and router 1 is okay. Next, configure the pools in DHCP server. Specify the allowed IP address and excluded IP addresses, default gateway, specify DNS server and domain name for DHCP clients and DHCP server. I will configure pool 1 for this network or for this local area network and configure pool 2 for this network or subnet. Next, as you see DHCP server and DHCP clients are located in different subnets, network administrators want a DHCP server to provide addressing to multiple subnets on a given network. They must configure DHCP relay services located on interconnecting routers. These agents relay messages between DHCP clients and servers located on different subnets. And we should configure router 1 gigabit Ethernet 0/1 with IP helper address, the DHCP server IP address, as well as gigabit Ethernet 0/1 in router 2. Now everything is ready. DHCP clients dynamically receive their IP address, default gateway, and DNS server from DHCP server. And check the connectivity between DHCP clients and DHCP server. A Cisco router can be configured to handle DHCP requests in two ways: as a DHCP server or as a DHCP Relay Agent. A Cisco router can also be configured as a DHCP client, requesting an IP version 4 address from a DHCP server for one or more of its interfaces. All these options can be configured at the same time on the same device. For example, a router might be the DHCP server for a directly connected LAN, while at the same time forwarding DHCP server requests to another DHCP server for other LANs. In this diagram, we have one Cisco router to configure as a DHCP server for this local area network. Use the IP DHCP excluded address, low address, high address command to identify an address or range of addresses to exclude from the DHCP version 4 pool. Create the DHCP version 4 pool by using the IP DHCP pool name command. Introduce the network. Default router. DNS server. And also domain name. To verify DHCP version 4 operations on router 1, use the commands show running configuration, show IP DHCP binding, because PC1 and PC2 are connected to the LANs, each automatically receives its IP addressing information from the router's DHCP version 4 server. In the command prompt on the PC1, type ipconfig/all I hope this information is useful to you, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.